Hi guys, Googs248 back again. If you saw my previous video, you know I found on eBay some old packs of Dream Picks, front row Dream Picks, 1992 cards. Just thought I'd bust them open for you and see if I can score any autos or some gold and silver cards that I need. I'm a Googly Otter fan, so hopefully I can pick up some good Googly Otter cards in here. Billy Owens, Larry Stewart, Rick Fox, Steve Smith, Weatherspoon, not sure what that is, Alfonso Ellis, Weatherspoon, Keith, Terrell Brandon, Walt Williams. No golds, no signatures. I think the signatures are very hard to find. Here. Right. Nothing. Steve Smith, Stacey Augman, Rick Fox. There we go. It's a gold. Stanley Roberts. More Weatherspoon. Billy Owens, Mutombo, Augman, Todd Day. Great player, Todd Day. Alrighty. Keith. There we are. Tommy G. Googs. Got it though. Williams. Spoon. Harold Miner. All base cards again. Mutombo. Todd Day. Harold Miner. Laner. Last pack. Come on. Good card please. Good card. Not looking good. Googs, again, got it. Terrell Brandon. Leitner. Nothing. Ah well, that was it. All crap. Thanks guys, bye.